Hello, everyone, and welcome to Cafe English Stories. Here, we learn English through simple, real-life stories that happen in a cafe. Every story is calm, clear, and easy to follow. Today's story is about a small problem in the morning at the cafe. Let's step into the story. I work in this cafe every day. Every morning, every afternoon. I love the smell of coffee, warm and fresh. I love the gentle clinking of cups and the soft hum of conversations. And most of all, I love watching people. Sometimes I can understand someone just by the look in their eyes. That young man over there, standing by the counter, he looks at his phone, then around the cafe, and sighs. He seems frustrated. Not sad, just uneasy. I walk a little closer. Hi there. Is everything all right?
Yes, I think so. I mean, not really.
Would you like some help?
I'm trying to connect to the internet, but it doesn't seem to work.
Oh, I see. Don't worry, I'll help you.
I entered the password twice already, but nothing happens.
Let's check it together. Sometimes the letters or the capitalization can be a little tricky.
Really? I tried very carefully.
It's okay. Take your time. Look at this small sign here. This is the correct password.
Oh, I didn't notice it. Let me try again.
You've got this. Just type slowly.
Wi-Fi, password, typed carefully, letter by letter, waiting.
Take your time. It usually connects in a second.
Wait. Oh, yes, it's connected now.
See? I told you it works.
Finally, everything loads so fast. I can breathe again. I feel much better, much more relaxed.
I'm really glad to hear that. Enjoy your work.
Thanks. I really appreciate your help.
You're welcome. Sometimes a little help makes all the difference.
Finally. I can sit down now. It feels so much better.
I'm happy to hear that. Take your time.
You know, I really needed this. Not just the coffee, but being here. Deadlines, emails, too many things at once. And when the internet didn't work, everything felt heavier.
Sometimes little things, a cup of coffee, a quiet place, or a small help can change everything.
Yes, exactly. Thank you. Not just for the Wi-Fi, but for your help too.
You're welcome. I'm glad I could help.
This place, good coffee, quiet, kind service, it really makes a difference. I think I'll stay here for a while, finish my work, and enjoy the moment.
Take your time. If you need anything, I'm right here. Now the customer feels calm. The problem is solved, the Wi-Fi works, and he can finally relax. Let's think about the story for a moment. We have some questions for you to see what you remember. Listen carefully and choose the correct answer. Question 1. Why was the customer frustrated at the beginning? A. Because the coffee was cold. B. Because the Wi-Fi didn't work. C. Because the cafe was noisy. Correct answer is B. Because the Wi-Fi didn't work. Question 2. What did the customer try to do at the counter? A. Order another coffee. B. Connect to the Wi-Fi. C. Ask for a discount. Correct answer is B. Connect to the Wi-Fi. Question 3. How does the barista help the customer? A. By giving advice and pointing to the password. B. By ignoring him. C. By turning off the Wi-Fi. Correct answer is A. By giving advice and pointing to the password. Question 4. How does the customer feel after connecting to the Wi-Fi? A. Relaxed and relieved. B. Angry. C. Confused. Correct answer is A. Relaxed and relieved. Question 5. What does the customer enjoy at the cafe at the end? A. The quiet, the coffee, and the kind service. B. Only the food. C. The loud music. Correct answer is A. The quiet, the coffee, and the kind service.
All right. Take a moment to relax and think about the story. A small problem, a little help, and suddenly everything feels easier. Moments like this remind us that learning can be calm, simple, and part of everyday life. If you enjoyed this story, or if it felt familiar to you, share your thoughts with us in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell so you don't miss our next cafe stories. Thank you for learning with us, and see you in the next story at Cafe English Stories.